Jack had owned the ranch for decades. Everything beyond the fence belonged to his family. But one mansion always seemed strangely out of place. He decided to investigate. Old maps told a different story. The property lines didn't match recent records. Something wasn't adding up. Jack wanted answers. Jack found the original survey markers. They had been there for years. The evidence was impossible to ignore. The mansion appeared to cross the boundary. A licensed survey confirmed the measurements. The results surprised everyone. The boundary extended farther uphill. The investigation continued. Every new measurement matched the old records. The property lines stayed consistent. Jack remained calm. The facts spoke for themselves. Richard dismissed the survey. He insisted the mansion was properly located. The HOA supported his position. The disagreement grew. Jack gathered every document he owned. His attorney reviewed decades of records. The paperwork was remarkably complete. They prepared their case carefully. Every document supported the same boundary. Nothing appeared altered. The historical records remained consistent. Confidence continued to grow. The case reached the courthouse. Both sides prepared their arguments. The evidence would decide everything. Jack stayed patient. The hearing officially began. Survey maps were presented. Every document was carefully examined. The decision would come later. The surveyor explained every measurement. The official maps matched perfectly. No contradictions appeared. The courtroom became silent. Historic records supported Jack's claim. The documents were decades old. Every page confirmed the same boundary. The evidence grew stronger. Richard's confidence began fading. His attorneys reviewed every detail. The courtroom atmosphere changed. Everyone sensed the outcome approaching. The judge reviewed every exhibit. No evidence was ignored. Both sides received equal time. The decision required patience. The hearing concluded for the day. Reporters waited outside. Everyone anticipated the ruling. The decision would come soon. Jack returned home. He continued caring for the ranch. Life went on. Patience remained his greatest strength. Decision day finally arrived. Everyone stood quietly. The courtroom fell completely silent. The ruling was about to be announced. The court confirmed the legal boundary. Official records controlled the outcome. Jack's ownership rights were recognized. The case reached its conclusion. County crews marked the boundary. Everything followed the court order. The survey became official. The property lines were restored. Every corner was measured again. Accuracy remained the priority. The records were updated. The work was completed carefully. Jack finally had clarity. The ranch records matched reality. Years of uncertainty ended. Peace returned. Neighbors offered congratulations. Many respected Jack's patience. The outcome surprised few. Truth had prevailed. The ranch stretched for miles. The official boundary was unmistakable. Everything finally made sense. Order had been restored. Jack celebrated quietly. No grand announcement was needed. The land spoke for itself. The ranch remained home. Evenings settled over the hills. Everything looked peaceful again. The long dispute was over. The future looked bright. The stress was finally gone. Jack enjoyed the quiet evening. The ranch felt complete again. Home never looked better. The land remained beautiful. The records were finally correct. Peace replaced conflict. Life moved forward. Every sunrise brought new appreciation. The ranch remained in good hands. Hard work continued. The story inspired many. The land told its own story. Facts had won the case. Justice followed the evidence. Everything was finally settled. Patience and preparation made the difference. The truth stood on solid ground. Some victories come through persistence. This ranch would remain part of Jack's family for generations. Thumbs up like this story if you enjoyed it. Bell subscribe for more HOA stories. Speech balloon, where are you watching from? Let us know in the comments.